Hello language learners and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a topic that we all encounter and sometimes even more that we'd like: complaining. We all do it, but there are definitely ways to complain that sound more natural in English. So get ready to level up your English with 10 native phrases that will help you express your dissatisfaction in a more authentic way. Let's get started. Our first phrase is, "This is ridiculous." This is a straightforward way to show that something is completely unacceptable or absurd. For example, "The line at the supermarket is so long. This is ridiculous." What was the last situation where you thought to yourself, "This is ridiculous"? Share your stories in the comments below. Next we have, "I can't believe this." This phrase expresses surprise and frustration at something that's just happened. For instance, "I can't believe this. They gave me the wrong order again." Moving on, our third phrase is, "What a rip-off." This is used when you feel something is overpriced or not worth the money. Like in, "That small coffee cost me $7. What a rip-off." Phrase 4 is, "It's not fair." This expresses a sense of injustice or that a situation is not right. To illustrate, "My little brother got a new toy and it's not fair because I did all my chores." Fifth on our list is, "I'm fed up with this." This phrase shows that you are tired and annoyed with something that has been happening repeatedly. Specifically, "I'm fed up with this internet connection. It keeps disconnecting all the time." What are you fed up with at the moment? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Our sixth phrase is, "This is unacceptable." This shows strong disapproval and emphasizes that something needs to change, such as, "The restaurant service was very slow. This is unacceptable." Moving on to our seventh phrase, "That's just not on." This is a British expression meaning that something is not acceptable or appropriate. Let's say, "He didn't even apologize. That's just not on." The eighth phrase is, "It drives me crazy." This is used when something annoys you to a high degree. Take the case of, "The constant noise outside drives me crazy." Number 9 is, "I've had enough." This indicates that you have reached your limit with the situation. Consider, "I've had enough. I'm quitting this job." What made you say "I've had enough"? Tell us about it in the comment section. Finally, our last phrase is, "What's the deal with?" This expresses confusion and annoyance about something you don't understand. To give you an idea, what's the deal with these new regulations? Wow, we have covered 10 fantastic phrases that native speakers use for complaining. Now, it's time for a fun creative task. Your task is to create a short, funny story using at least 3 of the phrases we covered today. "I'm fed up with this," "It's not fair," and "What a rip-off." Write your funny short story in the comments below. Let your creativity flow. Don't worry about perfect English. It's all about practicing and having fun. That's all for today's lesson on complaining. I hope you had fun and learned some useful phrases. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cattaleya English and share your funny stories in the comments. And as always, keep practicing and keep learning. See you in the next video.